another thing, Buffett, I just want to speak about this boy, Kwesa, the boy from ETDC, the Kaizer Chiefs, the one that actually came back for Frosla available on this game. I think the boy is promising, the boy is looking. On today's game, I was actually impressed available, and I just wanted to actually give him his flowers available for like the way I live corner. And one thing I noticed also is that when he came on, he changed the roles available of Rosler, because my the role of Rosler, they are making him play the same role who's this guy Cross, yabo yokuthi is supposed to stay at the back, idlala vele ne-back three, but ukwazi ukuthi mangena available, he pushed the boy. And one thing I noticed is that like he was connecting very well with the likes of Ubantu Phili available and Umtutu Shabalala on that side. And second half, but Mabam introduced him, even though we were already like leading, winning the match available, but actually saw something there Buffett too. And I just wanted to just give the boy a shout out. Yeah, well, and that position, and the message to him is that position is for the taking, my guy, because they've seen on this transfer window Kaizer didn't actually decided to strengthen up that position available, and we're having a lot of issues when it comes to that left backside thing. So do yourself a favor, keep it up. Thank you.